Gusto mo water? Gusto mo water? Or lubog-lubog yung mga shoulder yung kahit okay ka lang. Isa ka lang. Ano 32 arm?
Yes.
Here, wag dito na for 5 rounds or 1 foot to the wall. Rise. Okay, get air. Then, breathe holding for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bravo. Kung saan nakapoint yung kamay nyo? Ang daling. Nakikita mo yung gutter? Look down ka muna. Nakikita mo yung blue na yun? Oh, you have to hold on that first before you stand up, okay? Alright, dito 32 arm position. Okay. Get air. Then go. Up, torpedo arm position, torpedo arm. Torpedo arm, ganito lang. Until you okay, next. Okay.